Tunso Li, from what you're seeing on your screen, is already a proof that this platform is registered. Now, does that mean that some platform could still get registered and still get dubious, or still get registered and still trick users and scam them? This review is what I term as a brutal review. That sounds funny, right? Alright, let's forget about the joke I just cracked now, which is unserious. Now, Tunso review has caused a lot of controversy, and they came out as a transparent, legit platform where you can actually invest with them and make money. But now this is almost 6 months into their platform running, and every platform usually has a span or breaking point of 3, 6, 9 or 12 months before they crash. With the launch of Tunso Li, they had a short-term plan and a long-term plan where people invested as high as 100,000, 500, 1 million, and the rest of that. Now, the ROI was a good one, was one that looked so enticing and then inviting. As a result of that, a lot of persons invested with them. Of course, that is no harm investing. In fact, to register the platform was very, very simple, and it required no stress. And then the platform gladly was registered with CAC. Now, when the platform registered, they put their address, it increases their transparency score. But sadly, this platform actually registered, had a lot of transparency score, and things still went wrong. And on that note, I'll be taking you all to another blog called Slow Reviews, where a lot has been said about Tunso Li. Now, Tunso Li is a portfolio investment platform that claimed that they invested in Forex, but there was nothing to show for it. First, we'll be checking the registration on the site to see some further information. They had their registration number as 1684061, and then it didn't display any company when searched on CAC. But Tunso Li with the CAC number as number 2 had another platform too. And then the controversy about everything was, because I don't want to talk so much, I don't want to go deep into this anyway, but Tunso Li had very, very, very good reasons to trust them. There was founders information, they were registered with CAC, sadly anyway, they weren't registered with SEC. But if you look at platforms that have been registered before and still scam people, you remember platforms like Gifter World, Wazobia Investment. So whatever platform you're going into, just know that the breaking point is 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months. Between this period of time, anything can happen with your money. And then, according to my own definition, this Tunso Li platform reached the second point, the second breaking point, and that is the 6 month time before I got a lot of reports about the platform not being transparent and straightforward. Now, the second point about this was SEC makes a lot of analysis before approving a platform for certification and guaranteeing users to invest with them. So this platform is registered with SEC, despite that they claim that they were into Forex stuff, because SEC is going to look at some things, some deep things, and then they're going to decide if they'll approve you or if they'll reject your business certification. So if it's normal CAC, whereby anyone could get up, a restaurant, a barbering salon could get up and register. So I don't advise people to say a platform has registered with CAC, I trust it. No, don't do that. Don't do that, because that is not enough qualification or enough thing to guarantee you. Okay, this platform actually created videos, short videos, but those videos didn't really count, because actually we wanted to see how they traded with our money, but there was no opportunity to show us that. They didn't tell us how they traded with our money, they didn't tell us how they used our money. So platforms that usually hide a lot of information about themselves, but only comes out to the light to talk about, we are doing this, we are doing that, we are going to use our money for this, without showing any proof at all, shouldn't be completely trusted. Now, the founder of Tunso Li actually came to the DM of Mr. Solomon, which is the CEO of Slow Reviews, to tell him to take down some of the content he created because he felt threatened, and above was the screenshot. So platform like this, they come to threaten you, and then it's normal thing for a blogger to get threatened. It's normal thing. I have received a lot of threats, I received a lot of calls, especially from my blog, to take down articles I expose some people. So this platform is one that if you're really considering investing right now, please stop considering that thing. Stop taking that consideration to mind. People have really cashed out. Yes, every platform pays users, and once they pay you, you get happy, you start saying it's legit, but after that time it's scam users. So please be very careful and do not invest. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, because I'll keep updating you all. Thank you.